Hey, now that you've got your splash glaze pump, I'm going to show you how to start it up. The foot pedal from your pump comes with this plug. The splash glaze pump plugs right into it. Plug it all in. Put your foot pump next to your glaze. Put your pump in your glaze. Here's the pump inside my glaze bucket. Notice that the top of the nozzle needs to be sticking out of the glaze. If it's not, the best solution, if you've got a big old bucket of glaze, if your nozzle doesn't come above the glaze level, I have done silly things like try to boost up the pump on some kind of a stand. Let me tell you, simply pour a little glaze into a smaller bucket and you can control the level of the glaze. Much easier. Now we're going to take our mug, bowl, whatever you choose, turn it upside down, step on your glaze pedal, and the inside will be glazed. If you want a heavier coating of glaze, if your glaze is thin, just pause for a second till your glaze dries. Give it another little spray. Ta-da! Drip it off. Then you can decide if you want the rim of your mug to have glaze on it or to be clean. For this style, I like a clean rim. So I do one side with the scrapey side of a kitchen sponge and one swipe with the spongy side. Oops, got a dribble. Glaze Splash Glaze Fountain. Saves you time, saves you glaze, saves you money.